Hey guys, it's Matt. Welcome to SpeedTutor, and I know a lot of you like to know about all the bundles, the free assets, the savings that you can make, because not everybody has the time to find them all. So I'd like to put this video together for everything that you might have missed out in June or otherwise that you can pick up all over the place for Unity. So as I did mention in one of my previous videos, the Sonis.com do have a 2026 audio bundle which you can download for absolutely free, which is about 7.5 gigabytes of audio files that you can get for various parts of your game. You can also pick up their previous packs they've done in previous years, and there's hundreds of gigabytes worth of audio in all of these, so you can pick up some great stuff for literally nothing at all. If you're a fan of Humble Bundle, you've not got long left, but the Cinti Dungeon Bundle, which you can find some of their dungeon related assets with the Dungeon Fantasy map, which is fairly new, the Fantasy Rivals, the Forest, Fantasy Knights, the Big Dungeon Pack, Particle Pack animations, which you can pick up for at least £26 or around $32 for all of these packs. There is the all-in-one Unity and Unreal Engine Game Dev Bundle. This is from a set of developers that I haven't actually seen before, B4 Studios, and you do get a key for the Unity Asset Store, and you can check their assets out on the Unity Asset Store themselves, and you can see these feature quite interesting realistic assets. And in this bundle, 14 of the assets are specifically for Unity, and this again is around £26 or $32, and you could check them all out on this list if it's something that you're interested in. And as I said, you do get a key for the Unity Asset Store, so if you pick them up, it's a great way to redeem them on the store themselves. If you're interested in the Mammoth Club, who do lots of different tutorials, you can pick these up for creating various different games, whether it's a card battle game, a life simulator, AI Essentials, or other things there. You can pick it up for £22 or around $26–27. And if you do like this video, be sure to throw a like and make sure you're subscribed because it helps me out massively. Something similar to Humble Bundle is called Bundle Foundry, and these guys contacted me about some Unity specific bundles that might be going up in the future, but this one here has got around 8 days left. It's got various different tiers, and you can get tier 3 for about £28 or again $34, and you can actually get a mystery tier which has a mystery item. You get a 10% off code for the Unity Asset Store, and it's got a bunch of environments from Loretta Studio that you can check out if you haven't picked up some of these before, and there is some of them that I haven't seen before, i.e. the modular warehouse environment, the medieval kingdom environment, and a few others that haven't been included in packs before. I did also create a full video with all the 112 assets that you could find for May-June 2026, and I'm just going to show you a selection of my favorites that you can check out, which are really awesome. So the first one is the procedural power line generator. So if you're somebody who likes to make wires, power lines, anything like that, you can make them more easily by adding a start point and an end point and making this look more believable in your scene. And this is one called camera controllers for strategy, fly and orbit if you need some, and it's a great one that you can just drag in and create these for your scene so you don't have to have as much to do in the future. A cool one is called Amplify Scatter Free, and this one is if you want to scatter props more realistically. Often with physics, it's hard to do it by hand because it's hard to make it look natural. This will be a great way to help you do it. And there is the modular first-person controller with a fantastic little test scene with loads of cool functionality and over 150 different customization options to make this easy and suitable to use. On the Unity Asset Store, there's currently the Spring Sale, which is 50% off a range of assets, but you can also check out the flash deals. There's only a few that appear every day for 24 hours, and they're around 90% off the actual original marked price, so you can get these for very cheap indeed. And you can filter on the right, even for coming soon, to see if there's any selections of assets that are interesting to you. You can also get hold of the Unity's Quick Start bundle with 13 different assets, which are helpful for getting your game started, and this is $20 for this entire selection. If you are a fan of audio and big audio packs, there is an Ultimate FX and Ambient Music bundle on Bundle Foundry, which is based of 3 tiers with 40 different assets here, about £42 or $50 for a selection. You've got prop sound effects, imagery sound effects, full ambient soundscapes for westerns, horrors, and different things for handguns, footsteps, revolvers, all sorts of things in this big massive bundle here. Then if you've ever been on Fanatical, they do a 31 pack bundle, which is the amazing animation, music and sound effects bundle for various different themes, whether you need action and chase, adventure and exploration, sports and competition, anime and mood, male voices, vehicles and transportation, and various ones depending on what your game desires. And do let me know if you feel like anything that I've missed that you might have found on your search, and you can share it with the community. So thanks very much for checking this out. I'll put all the links down below so you miss out on nothing, and be sure to come and check out my Patreon too to get over 250 different scripts, assets and projects you cannot find anywhere else. Big thank you to all my patrons, special thank you to Joe, and everybody else who comes to watch the video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Cheers.